Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we are going to be doing the hair. I'm going to do this little hairstyle. This is some, what do you call it again? This is some spiral crochet braids. Yes, and they're not pre-twist. I actually had to twist them myself, but today we're going to be doing this cute hairstyle, crochet hairstyle with a little, you'll see in the video. And yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing. I really love it. I really love it. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, guys. So basically I used like 8 packs of this hair, and this is what I'm doing right now. I basically just took 1 pack of the hair and like sat down and twist it, just because I was doing the back and I wanted it to be a little bit easier. But later on in the video you realize that after I finish installing this this batch of hair, or this pack of hair, I just started to just install it because I didn't have time to sit down and just twist it, and put it down and stuff like that. So I was like, maybe it's not going to be difficult when I'm like in the middle of the hair. Yeah, so that's what I'm basically doing, just taking the crochet hoop, like pushing it through my hair, and just you know how crochet braids go. And that's basically it. As you can see, that's actually 1 pack of hair, 1 pack. So that's how it looks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the other packs, or I'm gonna add like maybe 2 or 3 more here. And then yes, as you can see, I'm just applying the hair as it is, or how it came in the pack. All right, and you would have seen my braid pattern. I just have maybe like, I just took out some of the hair at the front and just cornrow my hair to the back, and then use a crochet needle to basically wrap up my natural like hair from the braids, the ponytails, or the little hair at the back, and just like push the crochet braid or the crochet tool into my hair along with my natural hair, so it could like hide my natural hair at the back. Alright, and I'm just basically following the same step. As you can see, you probably can count how many braids I have. I have maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 braids. And basically what I do at the front, I form, especially at the sides, maybe not at the front, but at the sides of my hair, I form, or I turn 2 of the braids into 1 as soon as I like reach or towards the back of my head. So I have like 2 braids at the front, but I join them into 1, because the hair at the back, the hair that I have at the back or at the side of my hair, it is not as thick. So yeah, that's the reason why I join it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just applying the hair. I said before, I use 5 pack of the black spiral crochet braid, and then I had 3 packs, or I took 3 packs of the, because I got like 5 packs of the black, 1B actually, and I got 1B 30. So it was like a big thing. I was thinking like, oh my gosh, the hair is finished, how am I going to incorporate it? So as you can see, we just finished everything. I'm just gonna show you how I do the sides. Pretty simple, pretty basic. Just look and follow. Okay, and as you can see from my edges, I'm not gonna take out any edges or anything like that, or try to grip it in the hair or whatever. I just use my edge control to just like sleek it a little bit so it can look more, yeah. And eventually this is going to be a protective hairstyle for my edges, because it's going to be covered, so it's going to give me enough time now to not really do too much or manipulation or touching the edges and so forth. So I think it's going to grow a little bit better. As I was saying earlier on, I had 5 packs of the black but the hair was finished before, or after 5 pack the hair was like completely finished. So I wanted now to install the 1B30, but what I wanted to do was to dye the hair. So I was thinking like maybe I can dye it into black, but when I applied it to my hair and I realized the vibe that it was giving me, I'm like, okay, maybe this is fine. So I applied the 1B30 to the hair along with the black, and it turned out good. But you're not gonna see that right now because we are not actually there yet. But I'm just showing you how I'm doing the braids, and I'm just going to just apply everything to the sides of my hair, and then later on you'll see the rest of it. I want to not talk too much in this video, so you might not hear from me until like later on at the end of the video and so forth. But this was a very easy style. I think you can finish this in like maybe 30 minutes if you are not distracted. If you just sit and do it, you can finish it in 30 to 45 minutes. It doesn't take long. But I was like distracted because I can't sit in one position for too long unless, for example, I'm going somewhere and I have to get my hair done and so forth. Plus I was filming, so you know that's a whole different story. It's like very, very distracting when it's getting hot and so forth. Yeah, but all of that's not necessary. But as you can see, we're just installing the hair, and I wanted the hair to be full because I don't like when I'm wearing like these type of braids and they're thin. It defeats the purpose of even wearing braids, you know what I'm saying, because my hair is that thin. I don't want my hair to reflect my head to reflect my natural hair, because my natural hair is not like, it's not cool when it's flat and there's a lot of space in it, you know. Yeah, I don't want that. I want my hair to look thick, full of body, and all them good things, you know what I'm saying? So that's what that's what I wanted. I feel like I'm talking too much, so I'm just gonna shut up and just watch this part and just watch everything. Everything's going to be self-explanatory, so I don't need to talk pretty much. Alright, so see you later on. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. look, how it would look if I decide to put on some makeup. And as you can see, guys, I've been wearing a little bit of makeup since of late because I don't know, I kind of missed makeup and I want to use the foundation that I have. So I don't know when again, probably pretty soon you're gonna see me without makeup, but for now I'm just kind of enjoying it because it's nice to get all dolled up and so forth. But this is me, guys. Hope you like it. I think I want to make a different video with me styling it and like different styles, showing you different styles, and also maybe another little makeup look with the hairstyle. And so I don't know, but I'll do something like an update and something like that, show you some styles, because I'm gonna be working this hair. I'm gonna be wearing it for 3 months. So, but this is it, guys. As you can see, oh, so nice, so